Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and before we start this video I want to ask you to click the subscribe button down below to stay updated on our latest, greatest, coolest, most awesome content on the space of YouTube. Let's get cracking with the video. Alright, so in front of me I have the Mystic 8 ball. This is an 8 ball, a thing you use for bowling and a thing you use to predict your future. Ask a question, turn for the answer, try me on the back. I'm not going to try you on the back, we're just going to try you in real life. So it's a mini 8 ball, as you can see. There is nothing from explanation in the box, and if you know what an 8 ball does, then I don't need to give you a lot of explanation. There is fluid in here. When you turn it like this, the bubble goes up, and then you turn it like this, the bubble goes this way or other way around probably. And then a thing pops up that has a text on it. For example, indications say yes. You can read that over here. This is a fun game, I think. I don't know how many answers it has. There's nothing on the box. So you ask a yes or no question. For example, hey, Mystic 8 Ball, is this a good video? Consult me later. Alright, so because he doesn't yet know if this is going to be a good video because it's not done yet. Mystic 8 Ball, do people like me? Focus and ask again. Yeah, well, that's not an answer. Focus and ask again. Okay, I'm going to focus. Mystic 8 Ball, do people like me? It says on, or it says no. It's no. Okay, it's really clear. Mystic 8 Ball, do people hate me? So it shall be. That's how we're going to play it? Huh? What you gonna do, man? Alright, one more question. Mystic 8 Ball, am I going to get a victory royale on Fortnite on Nintendo Switch? Positively. Right, that's good. I'm going to go and play on my Nintendo Switch now because I'm going to get a victory royale. It's true, yeah, it is. Indications say yes. Wow, really. He's actually pretty consistent in his answers. If he says yes one time and you ask the question again, he's going to say yes again. Of course, this is a toy. This thing doesn't know what he's saying. It's just at random. Is it true? Is it at random? Absolutely. This is actually a great answer for my question. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, this is a cool toy to have fun with your friends. For a drinking game, for example, I've already said that on the big one. I've reviewed the big 8 ball as well. I don't know if the video is already live or not, I don't know. But I've reviewed the big one already, and I've also said that this would be fun for a drinking game. So yeah, if you're looking for an 8 ball, this is pretty cheap. Go check it out. It's cool, it's fun, and it works. Alright, if you have any questions regarding this 8 ball, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very glad to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind a computer screen, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.